Good morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing live day trades along with free educational content when it comes to the stock market in general, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below for more content. Today I plan to trade with a small position size. One of the strategies that I use is if I've taken an extended break, for example, we're just getting back from the holiday season. If I take an extended break, I like to come back to the stock market and trade with a small position size just to get back into the swing of things. So don't be afraid to lower your position size if you've been away from the stock market for a little while. So I am now in Apple. I decided to buy 4 put contracts at 42 cents for a total cost of just $168. We had a gap up here on Apple this morning, but I am expecting the price of Apple to decline. Let's see what happens here. Take a look at this breakdown here on Apple. What a massive move. Look at how I'm up over 57% here on that last contract, and I'm just about to sell it here. And I am all out of the trade. So this was a beautiful breakdown here on Apple. Remember, I bought 4 contracts at 42 cents, and I ended up making $59 here on the trade, which equated to a 35% gain. So what a nice move here on Apple. I hope you enjoyed this short live trade. If you're brand new to the stock market, be sure to check out my video lesson series called Trading Essentials. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.